Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do an iPhone SE screen protector installation, but first I want to talk to you about one of the better screen protectors that are available for the iPhones. Now this is the Mantle, and I've used this screen protector on other phones before, and one of the things that separates this screen protector from others is the installation material. It makes it so much easier to install. So in the case, you receive two sets of screen protectors and two sets of installation tools, and this stylus, along with let's see here, one, two, along with a squeegee, I guess, and some installation instructions. Now we're gonna install one screen protector, so we'll put that aside. Now what I want to show you is this particular thing, and I haven't seen other manufacturers using this screen protector guide, but this makes the installation so much easier than having to sort of align it on your own. And this is what I think separates this screen protector from others that are available, that I've seen anyways. So let's install the screen protector and see how it goes. I have the iPhone SE here. I'll put this aside. And the screen protector itself. Now you want to take a look at the screen protector and try to see if there are any markings or lint under the screen protector, because you might have a perfectly clean screen and try to do an install and the screen protector itself is not perfect. So from what I can see here, it does look like it doesn't have any markings or lint under the screen itself. So let's see how this goes. You definitely also want to clean the screen. So what I did here was cut the factory screen protector, so I can just peel it off like this and save the back piece. And the reason for that is when I put it in a case, sometimes certain cases can leave markings on the glass, believe it or not. So I'm going to leave that sort of as an added protection. So just going to go over it lightly. I don't really see any lint on the screen itself, but just to give it a once over, really. Definitely want to have the most perfect install. I know that sort of drives a lot of people when you have that one little speck of lint after you thought you did a perfect screen install, right? And I know that doesn't bother only me. Now I do see a little bit here and there, but that's just from whatever dust is in the air. Really can't get around that, but you can try, right? And if we do this right, there shouldn't be any air bubbles of any kind. It should sort of just lay flat and fill in on its own. And that's how you know you have a perfect screen install, honestly. So I'm going to place the guard over like so. Let's just do this. I have the screen protector here. Again, I don't see anything on the screen protector, but again, so we'll give this a shot. So again, you just line it up nice and evenly on the guide and sort of drop it into place. And if you do it right, it should fill in on its own. So let's see. Maybe a little, let's just give it a little help along. So I'm just going to remove the guide and show you how it looks. Makes installation so much easier. So there you have it, the iPhone SE screen protector installed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.